For shipping and storage, the Genium can be switched off in Xsoft by the CPO. The knee joint has to be connected to Xsoft, and a charging unit that is connected to a power supply must be available. First, click on the button in the Maintenance tab to switch off the Genium, and a warning message will pop up. Please read this message thoroughly and confirm with a click on the OK button. Now connect the plugged-in charger to the Genium. As soon as the charger has been detected and a message appears on the screen, disconnect the charger immediately. The knee joint will be shut down. This process can last up to 10 seconds. When this message pops up, the procedure was successful. If the process was not successful, the Genium does a self-test and this message pops up. The shutdown procedure has to be repeated.